March is Woman Month. For you, what is greatest advantage of being a woman?
The greatest advantage of being a woman is being able to compose ourselves. Just like here, we're standing in front of thousands of people, not knowing if you're gonna cheer for us or boo us. But we try to compose ourselves. We keep the emotions and show the beauty that is in us. And tonight, thousands of people are standing here celebrating the beauty of a woman, and that's an advantage of a woman. Thank you.
Good evening, candidate. Okay lang ba Tagalog? Can I ask it in Tagalog?
Opo, pwede ko rin pong sagutin ng Tagalog kung
Sige,
gusto
sige.
niyo po.
Ano yung... Very good. Ano yung pinakamagandang leksyon na maituturo ng isang babae sa buong mundo?
Ang isang leksyon na maituturo ng babae sa buong mundo ay yung tiwala sa kanyang sarili, yung intuition po na tinatawag natin. Pag meron ka pong intuition, alam mo po sa sarili mo kung saan mo ilulugar yung sarili mo sa mundo. Kahit na hindi ka sigurado sa nararamdaman mo o sa naiisip mo, pero kung alam mo sa intuition mo, then magiging successful ka po sa kahit anong gawin mo sa buhay mo. Should I say it in English for the other judges? I don't know if there's enough time, but intuition, it's very important. Thank you.